Good morning, children. Hope everyone is happy and stay safe at home. And always remember to stay healthy. For that, what you have to do? You have to eat healthy food. Children, do you like fruits and vegetables? Yes, very good. To remain healthy and strong, you have to eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Children, can you tell me where do we get fruits and vegetables? Yes, good. From different plants. We get fruits and vegetables from different plants. We see different types of plants around us. Children, do you know one thing? Plants are also living things like us. They need air, water, sunlight and soil to grow. Students, you have already learned about our body parts. Just like that, plants have also different parts doing different functions. It's very interesting, isn't it? Yes. So our today's topic is parts of plants. Today we are going to learn about parts of plant. Children, here I have a small plant with me. I am going to show you different parts of this plant. Firstly, look at these. These are roots. These are roots. In most plants, roots grow under the soil. Roots take in food and water from the soil and hold plant firmly to the soil. This is stem of the plant. Look at this. This is stem of the plant. Stem takes food and water to the other parts of plant. Now look at this. This is leaf. This is leaf. You can see there are many leaves in this plant. With the help of sunlight and water, leaves make food for the plant. Children, do you like flowers? Yes. This is a flower. This is a flower. Flowers are the most beautiful and colorful part of a plant. In most plant, flower makes fruit. This plant doesn't have fruit. So I am going to show you pictures of plants with fruits. Let's have a look on the pictures of plants with fruits. Look at this picture. This is plant of dragon fruit. You can see there are many dragon fruits on this plant. It has vital nutrients which are good for our health. This is plant of pomegranate. Look at this picture. This is plant of guava. In this picture, we can see a plant of strawberries. Here, this is plant of cherry. In this picture, you can see the plant of orange. Oranges are rich in vitamin C. Do you like to eat orange? Yes, I too like it. So students, with the help of these pictures, we came across that fruits are also part of plants. Students, now let's understand with the help of this beautiful flashcard. Here you can see this is a plant. Look, I have also written names of different parts. This is a flower. This is a flower. and this part is called stem. So this is stem. These are roots. These are roots. Here this is leaf. You can see there are many leaves. This one is fruit. This is a fruit. So these are the parts of a plant. Children, I hope you understood the topic very well. And now what you have to do? You have to look at the plants around your home and try to recognize different parts of those plants. You can also take help of your elders while doing this activity. So that's all for the today. Children, take care. Bye-bye.